Hello friends, I'm Smita and welcome back to my channel Smita's Artsy Hub. In today's video, I'm working on old tree sticks to make easy craft for home decor. Materials that you required: wooden sticks, heart-shaped cardboard, acrylic colors, paintbrush, scissors, hot glue gun and canvas board, or you can use your choice of board. In very first step, cut the sticks with the scissors or cutter according to the heart shape. And arrange the sticks accordingly. After that, you can choose your favorite color combination to paint them. Here I used first color as white. I made this pink color by mixing 80% of titanium white and 20% of magenta. The next color I used is a magenta. At last, I used rich gold color to add an extra elegance to my art. Here I used hot glue gun to stick them on a canvas board. Here is the final result. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys.